Welcome to where we explore the future of fashion. Imagine stepping into a time machine and fast-forwarding to the year 2050. What do you suppose the fashion scene looks like? Just as styles have evolved from decade to decade, the future of fashion promises to be an exciting blend of innovation, creativity, and sustainability. From the corsets of the Victorian era to the neon colors of the 80s, every era has had its signature style. Today, we're exploring fashion in 2050. With advanced technology, clothing is not just for wearing, but also combines smart features like LED screens and environment-responsive fabrics. This isn't simply about style or statement, but a shift into the realm of the functional and interactive. Imagine a dress that changes color with your mood, or a suit that adjusts its temperature based on the weather. We're entering an era where fashion transcends aesthetics and becomes an extension of our digital life. Imagine a world where your clothes interact with your environment. Sustainability and eco-friendliness are key. As we journey into the heart of the 21st century, the fashion world is taking strides to minimize its environmental footprint. The industry is exploring innovative ways to reduce waste, cut down on energy consumption, and promote responsible consumption. From the use of renewable sources to the integration of recycled materials into the design process, every step is geared towards sustainability. This drive towards eco-friendly practices is reshaping the fashion landscape. The future of fashion will leverage recycled and biodegradable materials, protecting our planet. The fusion of tradition and modernity will create unique designs, reflecting diverse cultures. Imagine a future where the elegance of vintage silhouettes merges seamlessly with the edginess of contemporary style. Picture the richness of ethnic textiles and patterns, reimagined through the lens of modern design. These combinations will not only pay homage to our past, but also celebrate the innovation of the present. This is the future of fashion, a harmonious coexistence of time-honored tradition and cutting-edge modernity. Fashion in 2050 will be a beautiful blend of the old and the new. Flexible and personalized designs will trend, allowing wearers to express their individual style. The future of fashion will be all about versatility and personalization. Imagine clothing that adapts to your needs, your mood, and even your environment. From color-changing fabrics to adjustable fits, the possibilities are endless. No longer will we be limited to what's available in stores. Instead, fashion will become a tool for self-expression, allowing us to showcase our unique personalities. Fashion will become a true expression of your personal style. With the development of AI and 3D printing, the design and production process of fashion will become revolutionary, offering limitless customization. Imagine a world where a simple scan of your body can create a perfectly fitted garment, printed right before your eyes. With AI, we can predict trends, design smarter, and create pieces that adapt to our needs. As these technologies become more refined, we will see a shift from mass-produced fashion to individualized, bespoke creations. The possibilities are limitless when fashion meets technology. The fashion of 2050 promises to be a perfect blend of technology, sustainability, and creativity. We've explored tech-integrated clothing, eco-friendly practices, traditional modern fusion, personalized designs, and the rise of AI and 3D printing. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the future of fashion. Thank you for watching. Your journey into the future of fashion doesn't have to stop here. Keep exploring with us and enjoy a front-row seat to the trends and innovations shaping tomorrow's style. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates on the future of fashion.